Let's see you on your exercise ball, your new chair.
Just don't pop it. Receptionist staff. I cannot believe you did that. Oh my god. This is damaged property.